Hi there, it's Didi the Trinidn, and welcome back to another episode of Didi's Kitchen Madness. And today, I have a special treat. I'm gonna be making murtani. Are you a pepper lover like me? Do you like things really hot? Then murtani is for you. In Trinidad and Tobago, probably some other Caribbean islands, murtani is basically roasted vegetables. I'm sorry, I've been a little MIA lately. I'm really looking for businesses to do business partnerships with Didi. So if you're interested, please make contact. Send me an email, send me a message. Anything you want. I want to link with you. I want to link with you. Your business. Yes. Could be anything. Food, health, clothes, makeup, jewelry, bakery, and any business. Link. Ingredients: tomato, pimento. I'm gonna put an onion, garlic, baygon, peppers. So I'm gonna use some okra. It's cut up already. Okra and banana leaves. And you can also put some olive oil and lime. You can also put some thyme in there if you like thyme. Let's go to the stove, shall we? Mom set this up for me this morning. She's so thoughtful. Got a baygon. Let's burn it to shreds. Put our other ingredients as well. My murtani recipe. So beautiful. It's so hot. Makes me want to cry. This is actually the first time I've made murtani. So if you tried it, let me know how it turns out. I hope that you like this recipe. If you have any other recipes, you can also comment down below and let me know about them. Hot. Eating those burnt pieces are not good for your health, so I don't put it in there. You could also add a little bit of salt to your liking, but I'm good with this. Let's taste it. Hot. That is really hot, but yummy hot. It's like a delicious sting in my tongue. Wow, that actually tastes really good. Hot. Very hot. I'm gonna start crying. But I love spicy things. So if you like hot stuff, you can try this murtani recipe. Get that sweat on, man. And you could actually lose weight that way if you eat a lot of pepper in your diet. That could actually help with weight loss. Did you know that? Yeah, that's a fact. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Tag all your friends. Invite all your friends to like my page. Check me out on all my social media links such as YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. And don't forget to click that like button. Click it, and share. Check out my last video and look forward to my other videos because I post videos every week. And if you're interested in business and advertising, sponsorships, ideas, make contact. If you need any dietary advice, also make contact because I'm a dietitian, nutritionist, and I can help you with your diet and your lifestyle. Bye! Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy. Be happy. Do what makes you happy. The BF cut my bangs. Should have probably take less than that and eat a little bit with something else.